Hi guys, it's Tracy and today I am back with another Boxycharm video, and this is the premium box, I'm pretty sure, and my base box is on its way, so that'll be coming later this week. If you are new to the channel, welcome. I do Boxycharm videos, makeup videos, beauty videos, all kinds of good stuff around here. So we have Mr. my co-host on the floor. So I'm sure he'll be showing up shortly. And if you are a returning watcher, thank you so much for coming back. If you guys enjoyed these videos, please make sure to give it a thumbs up. Leave me a comment, even if it's just an emoji. It all is considered engagement for YouTube. And we're trying to get to 1,000 subscribers. So help a girl out here, guys. So we have the Chihuahuas in the back too, but they're kind of quiet right now. So we'll see what happens. If you don't know what Boxycharm is, this one is the $35 box. They have a $25, a $35, and then quarterly they do a $50 box. So this is the $35. It's the premium box. I have a referral code. I don't make anything from it. So, you know, use it or don't use it. It doesn't make me money. It just gives you something called charms. And I have so many charms that are built up because they never have anything that you want to buy in the charm shop. So here's Mr. Of course. Can we help you? Okay. Open the box. Open the box. Bum, ba-da-da. Here it is. It is the premium box. We get a little card every month. This one is called Sweet Treats. Oh, on my eyes today, I have the Dominique Cosmetics Rustic Glam palette on. That's what she looks like. I got this on the Sephora website. It was half price. So a bunch of the Berries and Cream, which is one of my all-time favorite palettes, that's on sale for, I think they're all $22. This one, and I think the Latte palette, and maybe a couple other ones. I don't know if she's going to be leaving Sephora or what's going on, but yeah, a lot of her palettes were half price. And then on my lips, I still have this Roen Beauty lip balm, creamy lip balm, was in last month's box. Been enjoying that. So let's see what we have here. First up is Feeling Vibrations in Your Incredible Crystal Ball Roller Gloss Duo. Okay, so it says the glossiest roller ball to date has landed with a crystal roller ball to cool and soothe lips. The glossy formulation is infused with crystals to stimulate lip circulation and wake up the chakras. Enriched with nourishing and hydrating properties. $24. So looks like there are some like little, I don't know what they're called. The chakras are in the thing. So these are like old school roller balls. These are $24. Wow. Yikes. Okay. Get my calculator going. Next up, this was a choice item, so I did get to pick 2 items in this box. I guess they're going to start letting premium choose 2, and base box gets to choose 1 item. So this is the Wander Beauty Do Not Disturb Overnight Repair Concentrate. It says it has 1% retinol to amp up skin's natural renewal cycle and help diminish the appearance of fine lines, wrinkles, uneven skin tone, and texture. Squalane and peptides hydrate skin and improve elasticity, while dragon's blood helps soothe skin with environmental stressors faced during the day. And this is $68. Wow. So this is one of my choice items. That's 68. Let's see what it looks like. I had to go to the dermatologist the other day. I have something that's inside my nose, so now I have to go to a different doctor. And I have to go to an ENT doctor, and it like hurts. So, but it's like inside my nose. I'm like, great, what do you think? Like cut my nose off here? So I went to the dermatologist, and then they were like, nah, we can't really do that. You're gonna have to go to the ENT so that they can stick like a camera up my nose. I'm like, great. But while I was there, I had asked her for a refill. I don't, you guys, if you've been here long enough, you remember the breakout that I had like around my mouth, and it's called angular cheilitis, and it can be caused from a bunch of different things. And I get like cracks in the corners of my mouth, and then the skin has just started back again. And she said it's because it's getting warmer. So they had to give me a refill on the medication, but I'm not supposed to use it more than like 2 weeks because it's a steroid. And she said it will thin the skin out. And I was like, whoa, that's kind of interesting. And she told me not to make sure not to put retinol around or anywhere by my lips. So I thought that was interesting because I didn't know that. And I've been keeping it away just because I've been putting the medicine on. So if anybody else I know there's some other people that said they had it. You might not know that because I didn't know that. Keep the retinol away from the lips. So this is what it looks like, nice container. And you just pump it out. So we'll try that out away from our lips. And next up, this is the other choice item. This is the Natasha Denona Coral Palette. And this one is $48. Let's see what it looks like. Make sure there's no broken shades. Dun, 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 dun. Don't think so. Okay, awesome. Ooh, this is pretty. So there's that. Let's do a quick swatch. Every time I swatch her palettes, I swear that the pans do not seem like they're stable in the palettes. Have you guys noticed that? I worry that like I'm gonna hold it up and then it's gonna fall out or something. Ooh, those are really pretty. Really, really pretty. So I'm excited to play with that. And I've got a piece of paper for you. Here you go. There. Let's see. Next up, Fenty Beauty. This is their Pro Filter Instant Retouch Primer. A universal makeup primer for all skin types. This shine-stopping, pore-diffusing primer smooths away for a better foundation application and longer wear with an instant retouch effect. $32. I'm kind of tired of seeing Fenty in the box because it seems like we've just got a lot of Fenty. And like a primer, I don't really even use much primer because I don't use much foundation because of my lips. So it's a pretty glass frosted bottle. So we will see how it works out. So $32 for that. And then next up is a Dose of Colors eyeliner. Long-wearing creamy eyeliner, glides on easily, delivering transfer-proof, transfer-resistant, high-coverage matte finish, built-in sharpener, $15. Now I do already have a Dose of Colors eyeliner, and I didn't find that it was very creamy or that it went on very much. So let's see, what color is this one? This looks like it's a brown, and it is called Dark Roast. So probably right, a brown. So just a brown, nice color. So we'll give it a shot and see if it works. Could always have gotten a dud or a dried out one. So we will try that out. Not a bad price for a high-end eyeliner, $15. And then the last thing in the box is the Frank Body Cinnabons Scrub. And I just got one of these not very long ago. So we're on the repeat train again. So let's see if it's a bag like I got before. Yeah. We just got one of these. So this is the cinnamon one. I already have the other one still in my shower. And this one says an exfoliator for clear, glowing skin, for buns that need lovin'. Robust coffee stimulates circulation. Vitamin E targets dry skin. And honey, which is an antibacterial. They're 100% natural ingredients, and they are tested on babes, not bunnies. That's cute. So I'm sure it probably smells amazing, and I'll get to use it at some point. So let's see how much we got here. That was like 19 bucks. So my box was $206 retail value. So pretty good price for $35. I mean, this was $32. This Wander Beauty, $68. The Natasha Denona palette, $48. So we got some good, nice, high-end, you know, and most of it was makeup. Well, one thing is like a skincare, one thing like body care, but the rest was makeup. So I think this was a pretty good box. So let me know what you guys got in your boxes. Did you get your boxes yet? Do you get Boxycharm? I saw sneak peeks coming up for next month's box, I think it was. And it's like they're putting drugstore items, and there was stuff that was like $12, like stuff that comes from CVS. I saw the cream shop, and I'm like, are we going to a drugstore box now? Because I thought this was like high-end stuff. And like I can pick my own drugstore stuff out. I want the high-end stuff that I don't pick out. So let me know what you guys think. I hope that you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please make sure to give it a thumbs up. I would really, really appreciate it. Also leave me a comment. Let me know anything you want to tell me. So I hope that you guys are all having a beautiful day or night wherever you are. And I will catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.